Hi guys, I'm back and today I'm going to be making a video on face masks I do at home with at-home ingredients that actually work. And I talked about this a little bit in my last video and you guys wanted to see these face masks. So here are my top favorite ones that actually work. So I'm going to start off strong with my favorite one, and that is egg whites, rice paper, or like this spring roll paper, and coffee. So what you're going to do is mix coffee and egg whites into a little bowl, and then you're going to have a mixture, and you're going to cut up these spring roll things into like little squares, and you're going to dip them into the paste. And when you dip them in, this is going to turn soft and you're going to be able to stick it on your face. And then you're going to let it sit on your face for like 15-20 minutes until this dries off, and then you're going to peel it off. And as you peel it off, it's literally going to be like those Biore strips or those like blackhead and whitehead strips. I kid you not, this is so effective in taking away all those whiteheads. And egg whites are already so good for your skin and pores. Like, they reduce the amount of pores and they tighten your skin and just make your overall skin so good. And then coffee is so good for like exfoliating and also like making your skin brighter. Like, I swear when I do this face mask, my skin just looks like so refreshed and so glowy, and this actually works. Also, coffee has like anti-inflammatory things, so if your face is like puffy or anything, it literally, like, I do this face mask like sometimes in the morning as soon as I wake up while I'm doing like my little frolic session, and I swear like your face depuffs and it just looks glowy and good. And this is by far my favorite face mask to do at home with natural ingredients. I do it like once a week and I love it. Number 2 is going to be turmeric, honey, and I don't have it, but oatmeal. So you're gonna mix turmeric, honey, and oatmeal in a little bowl, and it's gonna be like a little paste, and you're just gonna let it sit on your face for like 15 minutes. Again, turmeric is so good for brightening as well. It evens out your skin tone so much. So if you have like hyperpigmentation or an uneven skin tone, I definitely recommend this mask. And then, as you guys probably already know, honey is so good for like hydration. So this mask will also give you a glowy face. And I like to mix it with oatmeal. I don't have any right now, but when you mix it with oatmeal and as you're taking it off, you like kind of rub your face and exfoliate your face a little bit. It's so good, and since it's natural ingredients, it's not too harsh on the skin. And I definitely recommend this over the exfoliators that you buy in the store that have like alcohol and all those bad things for you. Try this for brightening, hydration, and exfoliation. And I promise you, I love this face mask for when I feel like I have like super red skin or my skin just needs like to even out. Like, this face mask will always come through for me. Number 3 is cucumbers. Like I mentioned this in the other video, but literally slice open cucumbers, put some on your eyes, and then just rub a cucumber, like the inside, on your face for like 5 minutes, and it does so much for your pores. I swear, it's so simple because all you have to do is rub the cucumber on your face, but like if you do it once a week, your pores will minimize so much. Like, I really attest my pore minimizing to doing this like religiously, because I literally wake up and I rub a cucumber on my eyes, and that not only reduces the puffiness, the inflammation, I think it also like helps with like under eye bags and like that coloration. But for your pores, like, that's where I notice the most. Like, if I wake up and my skin doesn't look that good and then I do the little cucumber hack, like, my skin will look 10 times better. So I promise you, have an on-stock cucumber. And also the fact that your cucumber is stored in the fridge and it's like cold, it's like almost soothing on the skin. And definitely try it. It's so simple, just a cucumber, but it will do so much for your skin. Number 4 is also super simple, and that is aloe vera. Cut open the aloe vera and then put the aloe vera, I think it's called salve, or like that like gooey stuff, on your face as a face mask. That is so good for you. Like, I'm Mexican and we do that a lot in my family. Like, if you have a sunburn or if you have a burn from like the stove or anything like that, we always use aloe vera to like heal. And aloe vera literally is a skin healer. Like, that salve inside of it heals your skin if you have a sunburn. So imagine doing that on your skin when like you popped a pimple, and like it just promotes healing in your skin and promotes like all the good skin to come out and like the dead one to be exfoliated away. So I definitely recommend aloe vera. And I also believe that aloe vera fights like wrinkles and all that, because like I said, it promotes like healthy new skin, and it's like healing and soothing and moisturizing and literally all the good things you want for your skin. Go buy aloe vera. It's like a giant thing. It's like $1 at the market, and it will do more for you than CeraVe or than all these like super, like, what you need to look into the skincare. Like, if you look, like, the #1 ingredient in all those things are like things you cannot pronounce, or alcohol, or things like, how could that possibly be good for your skin? It's not. And like, you'll notice it because when you stop using it, it's like those things are meant for you to become dependent on them so that you can keep purchasing them. And when you stop using it, like, your skin will go bad. But like, that's why, go the natural route. Like, really look into it and go buy some aloe vera, go buy some cucumbers, go buy some turmeric honey. You probably already have it at your kitchen, and just start trying these face masks. Within a month, you will see your skin so much more improved, like, overall, and I promise you this works. And #5, I'm gonna say papaya and turmeric mask. Papaya is not only so good for you to eat, but on your skin, papaya is also so good. It has like natural enzymes that just promote, once again, healthy skin, and mixed with the turmeric, it will do that same like brightening effect, and it's also so good for you. I also swear by papaya. Also eat papaya a lot. It helps so much with digestion. It has like so much fiber, and it's just so good for you. So yeah, those are 5 face masks that I definitely recommend, and those are definitely my top 5 favorites. I do have one store-bought, and that is the Ancient Healing Clay Face Mask. You can buy this on Amazon, or I think like Target has it too. But if you were to buy one from the store, I definitely recommend this. And the ingredient is literally 100% natural calcium bentonite. I'm not sure what it is, but this is really good at like pore cleaning. So sometimes I do this, like, honestly, I only do this like once a month, just because it's like a little bit, I prefer like natural soothing things. But this is really good, like, if your skin really needs it, because it's a deep exfoliator. Like, when you put this on, your face will be hard as a rock, and as you're taking it off, you like literally feel it pulling all the like dead skin and blackheads and whiteheads. And this is really good. So if you wanted to actually go buy a face mask, I would definitely recommend this one. This is like the only store-bought one I have. Like, as you can see, I finished it already. The rest I usually like to do at home. I really stand by the natural, organic way. And lastly, before I go, I wanted to tell you guys how you can make your DIY rose water, because a lot of people buy like that Mario Badescu or like rose water sprays, but those rose water sprays aren't even rose water. If you look at the ingredients, like, roses are like the last ingredient. So make your own rose water spray at home. It's so easy. All you have to do is buy like rose, like I have the red rose petals, like the herb here, but you can literally buy red roses, and when they like get like a little bit dead or dry out, boil it. Boil these. I boil these things in water, and then you have red rose water. Like, you have the literal rose water, and then you literally just store it in the fridge so it cools down after you boil it. And there you go, 100% natural, organic rose water. And don't go out and buy those sprays that aren't actually rose water. Rose water is so good for you. It like hydrates and refreshes your skin. So I like to like just keep my rose water on hand and like spray it throughout the day. It literally maintains the pH balance within your face like super good, and it soothes any irritations. And like, everybody talks about rose water and how good it is for you, so I'm sure you guys know. But the truth is, you're not going and buying real rose water from the stores that you go. Like, that's not real rose water. Make your own rose water by just boiling roses and then cooling it so that you... But yeah, just to talk a little bit more about the benefits of rose water, it's literally anti-aging, reduces also inflammation, improves skin texture. So if you have like those little bumps, rose water consistently will really help with that. It's also like a literal natural cleanser from like bacteria that you may get or gather on your face, and it reduces acne, and it calms your puffiness or like dark circles as well, and it maintains your pH balance. I think I said that already. But yeah, it basically has so many benefits, but you're not buying the real rose water at the store, so that's why I'm telling you, DIY it at home for $1, for maybe $10. How much is like a couple roses at the store? I don't know. And then it's like 2 perks. You went and bought yourself flowers, and then when the flowers died, you gave yourself rose water. So yeah, those are my favorite at-home face masks. I really stand by them. I really stand by the natural, organic way. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel and commenting and all the love I've been receiving lately. I really appreciate all the sweet comments, and if you guys have any ideas or any comments on what videos you guys would like to see from me, make sure you comment, because that is what I'm here to do. But I hope you guys try these face masks out, and let me know in the comments if you do and if they work for you. And yeah, have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye bye.